Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Distinguished lecturer, fellow researchers, students, and all attendants, it's my pleasure today to present our research entitled Moderation from the Perspective of Generation Z or Gen Z, a study of religious attitude and behavior in the post-truth era between Pakistan and Indonesia. Okay, in here I'm research collaboration with Dr. Uh, Zahib Hassan Sain from Super University, Pakistan. Okay, how are you, Doctor?
Alhamdulillah, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we live in post-truth era where objective fact often overshadow the opinion and emotion on verified religion information spread easily through social media and influencing people attitudes and behavior, especially among young generation. Generation Z, thus born between uh, 1995 and 2010 are digital in literacy, globally connected and active in social media. However, they are also vulnerable to religious misinformation and misnarrative. This phenomenon prompts us to conduct a comparative study between Pakistan and Indonesia, the two large Muslim majority countries, to understand how Indonesian set perspective religious moderation in the context of the post-truth era. Research question. This study addressed three main questions. Number one, how do generations set in Pakistan and Indonesia perceive and practice religious moderation? And number two, how do they respond to religion information in the post-truth era? Uh, Number three, the cross-cultural difference in promoting moderation between the two countries. Research objective, the objective of this study are to identify the level of religious moderation among generation set in both countries, explore their behavior in filtering religious information on social media, compare cross-cultural perspective in promoting tolerance and moderation. The methodology from this research, quantitative survey research, instrument using Likert scale questionnaire confirming four dimension. Number one, personal religious attitudes. Number two, behavior in the post-truth era. Number three, cross-cultural and global perspective. Number four, follows critical thinking and social adjustment. Okay, the respondent generation, Gen Z, at 17 until 27 in Pakistan and Indonesia. And sampling technique using purposive sampling with of minimum 200 respondent in each country. Data analyze, reliability test using Cronbach Alpha, descriptive statistic, and comparative analyzing using independent sample t-test. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my presentation about the how we can research together about moderation from the perspective of the nation set, study of religious attitude and behavior in the post-truth era between Pakistan and Indonesia. Okay, after that, we please to Mr. Zoeb Hassan to send something about this research. Thank you, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, From the perspective of Generation Z, I would like to say that students nowadays they rely on Chat GPT. Even though they do not consult with the Islamic scholars about the religious uh, matters. So they just rely on ChatGPT. So I believe that ChatGPT is not as much exactly authentic source. So they should also, you can say, consult other sources also in order to get the authentic idea related to the religious attitudes and the behavior. Yeah.
Uh, the Generation Z maybe like using ChatGPT to
Yeah.
uh, look a perspective of study region attitude test.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. How about the have questions about number one is uh, believe that religious teaching and should promote tolerance and respect for people of different belief. Maybe this strongly disagree or disagree neutral.
Strongly agree with that.
Strongly agree, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, Religion is source of peace and harmony rather than conflict. This is
Strongly agree.
strongly agree. Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Maybe student open to learning about other religions, tradition to better understand them. Yes,
Agree.
agree. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, Student belief can consist with modern scientific and technological advancement.
Strongly agree.
Strongly agree. Thank you.
Yeah.
Uh, Students, region leader should crowds dialogue rather than confrontation in addressing difference.
Strongly agree.
Strong agree. Okay. Okay. Section B, behavior in the past truth era. Yeah. Student verify the accuracy of religions information received before sharing it on social media.
Uh, Strongly agree.
Strong agree. Okay. Uh, Student avoid engaging in online debates that spread hate or misinformation about religion.
Strongly agree.
Student credible source rather than social media rumors to understand religion issues.
Strongly agree.
Okay, student use social media to promote positive and moderate view about religions.
Strongly agree.
Okay, good. Thank you. Students believe that spreading false religion information online is harmful to social unity.
Strongly agree.
Okay, okay, okay. Students believe that spreading false religion information online is harmful to social unity.
Strongly agree.
Okay, okay. Okay. Section C, cross-cultural and global outlook. Students believe that Muslims from different countries, such as Pakistan and Indonesia, can learn from each other, experience in promoting moderation.
Strongly agree.
Students think cultural difference should not weaken religious unity among Muslims.
Strongly agree.
Okay, okay. Student willing to collaborate with people from other culture to address global religious challenge.
Strongly agree.
Okay. Uh, Different in region perspective between my country and other Muslim majority countries. Respect different in religious
Agree.
practice. Okay, I agree.
Yeah.
Student believe young Muslim have a responsibility to promote moderation in both online and offline space.
Strongly agree.
I agree. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dr. Suhaib Hassan
Thank you,
Sain.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I want to elaborate before starting off this survey that before the implementation of certain rules of Islamic rules in Pakistan, majority of the students were in disagree for that.
Yes.
I will be saying that I wanna be disagree with that, but now I have mentioned strongly agree due to a perspective that now the Islamic laws has been amended right now. I think so 4 to 5 months back. So now this has been very much reduced. Now they have to take care for each and everything if they want to post anything on social media uh, with regard to Islamic perspective. So they have to think a lot for that because we have now the strict Islamic laws for that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. I received your message. It's very important for our institution. Maybe enough, and thank you so much for
thank you, sir.
question, and maybe we can continue in next agenda. So that's
Inshallah.
so
Inshallah.
after this research, I want to submit this paper and Scopus maybe after this. Okay,
Inshallah.
and when
Inshallah.
yes, thank you so much, Mr. Zuhaib
Inshallah. Thank you so much,
Hasan
sir.
Sain. Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Assalamualaikum
Inshallah.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam, sir.